welcome to a new video for the Eclectic Collection, and in this video I'm going to show you the templates from this collection, and we go and start with the weekly templates. They come always in a pack with 9 different 12 by 12 templates, fully layered and actually already fully designed, so you only need to add maybe a paper and maybe some artsy bits, but you don't need much of them, and you of course your photos, that's all. And you get here a complete little book together with a title, and of course the 8 different templates, and this is how they look this month. Also here you can see this geometric idea I had in this collection, and also some watercolors and a lot of glitter and metal styles I have in this collection. And yes, I think it's very elegant, and you're gonna love it for some special event photos or anything you like. These are the 9 different 12 by 12 weekly templates for the Eclectic collection. And then we go to the storybook. The storybook are more artsy or more artistic, and they are double pages, and you get altogether 12 pages. And also here a lot of pre-design, and of course all those shapes are on extra layers, so you can blend everything so beautifully in each other. They look really cool, and I think you will like it to use them. These are the Storybook templates, and they come in letter size here. And those coordinating storyboard templates, they look maybe they look a little bit boring, but I am gonna show, or I showed in some previous videos already, that you can really reach with those kind of templates a total artsy page that works pretty well when you use here different papers from the collection, or add some artsy bits and pieces, and let them get out of the frames a little bit, and overlay them, and break the lines, so you easily get an artsy page with, yes, a structure, I would say. You have the structure of this grid from the templates, and then using artsy elements, so they work pretty well together with the storybook. And also we have here the storyboard in 12 by 12. They work pretty awesome together with the weekly templates. So this is what you see, and I will add here a shortly video, not video, a to-do, or how to use those nice stuff here. For that I'm gonna pick here some element stuff. Okay, here we have the artsy bits and some element stuff, and I'm gonna show you now how to easily and fast create out of the storyboard template something artsy. We have the paint here, and I think I'm gonna use this one, which I really like. And let's clip that here, make it a little bit smaller. Okay, that is here. And let's see what we have in the artsy bits and pieces. Maybe we can catch up this geometric shape here. Let's see. Well, we have not the... No, let's try this one. Okay. I need a photo, of course. And these are the... We go here in. Check out if you can find a nice photo fast. This one not. Oh, I like that one. Whoops, no, that's not the one I wanted. Nope, I was too fast. This one. Well, that looks pretty good. And it's pretty small, this image. So maybe we should change the position of those frames, and let's try something. And that was one layer too much here. Yes, we're going to change that one. Okay, and you can see we can change all those layers always. That's also an idea if you think you want to use an template, and you think about that you always can move or every layer into another direction. You don't need to use the given direction. I have created this layout. Sometimes I'm today a little bit confused because I didn't thought about much now to create this video now. Okay, let's clip that in here, and we this is something we move back, and maybe we add here a little bit of a shadow, only a bit, not much, only that it stands a little bit better from the background. Let's see what we can use here from this one, and let's turn that around, and let's do a little bit of a stitch in here. So we stitch that paper. Okay, what I always avoid is that when I have something like that here, that it's not that you move your image, that you don't have such little edges here. I think always this looks a little bit weird. So that's now much better for me. And we add here, of course, maybe we go into the artsy bits and pieces number 2 and add here. I like this one a lot. Oopsie. And I like to say oopsie a lot. Look at that. The shadow is so good here. And then we're going to use maybe this frame, and So we go and use that one and throw away, or we choose that as a clipping mask and resize it. So we have that one, and we create a layer on this white frame. Let's go up. Okay. Maybe we turn that also around. Oh no, we have that cutted shape, but that is something that's not disturbing. Yes. And let's try something. We clone the background image and we place it now into this mask, so you can see that the background is now the image itself shows up now in this frame. And what we can try now to maybe highlight it, go to color overlay, and we pick here this color and go to color overlay. That's only an idea. Difference, that looks not pretty good. Well, color burn, linear burn is too, color dodge, that looks also weird. I think overlay is nice. I don't know if it makes big difference, but yes, I like it. Let's see what we can add more. Okay. Color burn. So I'm concentrated. Sorry, I don't talk a lot about it, just what I'm doing. But you can see it's also, for me, it's always trying around. That's the most important thing. What you can do is try a lot, play. This is, I teach that in every video, that it's important that you not only use it, or that you play, that you take the time, because you really spend some money on those products. And the more you try and learn and also watch the videos I do, you will be able to use my products in a way you feel artistic. Okay, magic lights. Let's do some magic here. Color burn, color linear dodge, and overlay. I think overlay is good. Yes, it gives a little bit some lights. Yes. But I think I only want to have that here. I think, yes, where is the, yes, here. And that's why we clip it only here on this little shape here. And maybe we use something more. Let's see how that works. Color touch. The darker. So let's, but we go down to the image itself and clip it here. So color dodge, linear dodge, and only we have some lightning here on the top of the building, not more. It always depends on what kind of photo you have, what color it has. It depends on the magic light you have, and because they all combined with each other work, they work always differently. So you can see now we have here some of this apricot and golden shimmer here, and I think it's starting to look a little bit more and more artsy. We can add here something. Oh yes, and we go and do the stitches over it, and I like it. I like it. I hope you like it too. So that was a fast video with the templates here and a little bit of a tutorial how to use the storyboard templates, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave always some comments. Always they help me so much, and yes, we're gonna see you in the next video. Bye.